Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, June 17th. The Zen story for today is titled The Man Who Walked Without Feet. There once lived an old man named Genzo who had no feet, yet each day he moved through the village with ease, tending his small garden, visiting the river, and sitting beneath the great camphor tree in the village square. One sunny afternoon, a young boy came named Kohi watched Genzo make his way along his dirt path. "Elder," Kohi said, running up beside him, "how do you walk with no feet?" Genzo stopped and looked at the boy. "How do you move when you dream?" Kohi blinked. "I just moved." Genzo nodded and continued down the path. Kohi watched him go, his questions unanswered, yet something within him stirred. The next day, Kohi found Genzo next the river, watching the water flow over the rocks. He sat behind him in silence. After a while, Kohi spoke. "But in dreams, I don't walk. I simply arrive." Genzo smiled. "Then tell me, boy, are you dreaming now?" Kohi looked at his hands, the solid earth beneath him, the sound of the river filling his ear. The question stayed with him long after Genzo had gone, and the mist had lifted from the field. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body and arrive in stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a little bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces in between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. When thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What limits exist only in your mind, not in reality? What limits exist only in your mind, not in reality? How do you know when you are moving or simply being carried? How do you know when you are moving or simply being carried? Now let's do an experiment. Sit still and listen. Is stillness truly still, or is there always motion within it? Is stillness truly still, or is there motion within it? And now, as always, bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day to day, I invite you to continue with these reflections and also to check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.